Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are looking for your next easy airdrop, don't sleep on Soul Protocol. Their Testnet quest is actually ongoing, where you can earn real rewards by doing simple tasks. And yes, the deadline is almost here. Some parts of the task will end early August. So now is the best time to jump in. So in this video, I will guide you step by step through everything you need to do. How to join, how to earn seed points. So let's dive into it. This airdrop will cost you $0. Like, it's free. It's actually very easy to complete. So Soul Protocol is building an omni-chain liquidity layer to unify fragmented liquidity across chains, making cross-chain lending smoother. So it's powered by Layer 0. Soul Lab Testnet is incentivized and all seed points will be converted to SO. So to participate in this testnet, all you need to do is to follow these steps. Now, you need to do this testnet with a PC, that is laptop, or you can do it with your mobile phone on your Mrs. browser. If you have a Kiwi, if you still have Kiwi browser on your phone, on your mobile phone, you can proceed to use that. So please head to your Mrs. browser. Let's head over to our Mrs. browser. Once it opens, I'll paste the link. Paste. I'll be leaving all the link in the description so you don't copy the wrong one. So once it opens, proceed to connect your wallet, your EVM wallet, that is your MetaMask. Click on connect. You can see, let me zoom it so you can see. You can see connect wallet. So I'll just click on connect wallet. To click on connect wallet, once it opens, click on MetaMask. This task actually works with some phone. It might not work in your phone, so just try, but it worked best on PC. Then if you have a Mrs. browser, it works well there. Then if you also have Kiwi browser, and also depends on your phone. So I'll proceed to type in my password and unlock. My password is unlocking. Then I'll click on connect. Once it's connected, the next thing, okay, verify your account. So you click on sign to verify your account. Then click on confirm. So now my account should be connected. You can see my account is connected. So the next thing you need to do is to head over to this menu option. You can see this. Click on it. Click on that drop down. Then you will see markets, you will see governance, you will see emissions, you will see seeds. So the next thing you need to click on is seeds, the fifth one. Once you click on seeds, I will also be dropping the guideline in the description so you don't get confused. So once you connect your wallet, you go to the menu option. When you open it, you click on seed. Once the seed dashboard opens, so once you click on seed and the seed opens, you scroll down, you will see my seeds, my rank, and my quest progress. So you just proceed to click on my quest. Click on all quests. Once you click on all quests, your quest to open. You can see my quest and your quest to open. So the first thing you need to do in this quest part is to, you can see special quest, create a thread, a video, blog post, or meme, or any kind of content and share it on your social media. That is, either you share it on the platforms you can share it is this. Either you share it on, you can see platforms on Twitter, YouTube, Telegram, any one of your choice. So you can just read about the project, just create a little write-up about the project, then post it on any of these places, either on your Twitter, if you have a YouTube channel, you can post it there. You can post it on Telegram groups where you belong, crypto Telegram group, then copy the link. When you copy the link, you come here, then you will fill your details. Once you open this place now, you will see they will ask you for your Discord username. They will also ask you for your Telegram handle. They will ask you for the link to that particular task you did. Do you get? So they will now ask, when you paste the link, then they'll ask you for your wallet, the wallet you actually connected to this task. Then you paste it there. Once you are done with this one, just click submit. Then the next one is the next task is invite your friends and earn seeds. So whoever you invite, you earn some seed. Then the next task is to help spread the word about soul update. So this one also goes with the first one you did posting. Just share it on your Twitter. When you talk about them, when you yap about them, then they see what you do and you get it by that also. Then become part of the Soul Protocol community. So once you click on this one is there. You have to join their Twitter, that is their X handle. When you join their Twitter, you join their Telegram and join their Discord. With this, they can be able to track your activities and you'll be able to earn seats. You can see that I've completed this one. You can see. So try and do all the tasks. I think there are about 9 tasks here. So try and do the ones that are still available. And this thing is ending soon. Some of the tasks will stop early August. So try to take part. And I think they will be going into their mainnet anytime soon. So that is actually it. Make sure to complete all the tasks, the ones you can. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.